What's up, guys? The chef said, and welcome to pizza class. Today we're gonna make pepperoni pizza. So first, we're gonna add our cheese. Make sure you spread your cheese evenly across the pizza. Mozzarella cheese. Last, we're going to add our pepperonis. Spread them evenly as well. I encourage you guys to please follow the recipe as to the amounts. And lastly, we're going to use our garlic spray, and we're going to spray the outside of our crust to give it a little flavor. Now we're going to put it in our combi oven at 350 for 12 to 14 minutes. It's very important that we use the combi oven for evenly cooking. And always use your perforated pans for evenly cooking so your pizza won't burn. And if any time you need these pans, you either see your cat or your manager. Here we go. Be back. So now my combi has went off. Now we're ready to take the pizzas out. Oh my God, look at that. Perfect pizza.
Beep, beep.